welcome on this course page. Great to see you're interested in this course. This course is about React, one of the most popular, or depending on how you measure it, the most popular JavaScript library you can learn these days. React allows you to build amazing JavaScript-driven web applications which look and feel good and provide amazing user experiences. And if you provide amazing user experiences, chances are you can drive user engagement. In this course, I will walk you through all the basics of React, and not just the basics, also the more advanced features and important React ecosystem projects like Redux, like React Router, all these things you need to build truly amazing and useful React applications. We will start at the basics, no previous React knowledge is assumed, and then we'll build up on this knowledge step by step. We'll dive into the basics, dive deeper into components, one core fundamental concept of React applications, and then dive into more advanced things like form validation, routing, Redux for better state management, how to reach out to the web and React applications. And it's my true belief that it doesn't help you if we cover all of that just in theory or in very simple projects as a lot of courses do it. Instead, we will have these simple projects, we will have the theory and practice combination, but we will also have a great real React application which we build throughout the course. The Burger Builder is an application where we will use all the features you learn about in this course. We will learn about reusing components, creating dynamic components. We will learn about routing and using Redux to improve our application. You can see here already, it's a beautiful application, and we will not only learn how to build it with the many features covered in this course, you will also learn how to plan and structure it, because that is also an important thing when it comes to building React apps. By the end of the course, you'll therefore be an advanced React developer already. You'll have all the basics set and way more than that. You're prepared to dive deeper into React and keep on practicing it, and then of course also apply for React developer jobs if that is your goal. I can't wait to start this journey with you, and that of course only leaves one question. Who am I? My name is Maximilian Schwarzmüller, and I'm a freelance web developer and React developer. I worked with React a lot, and I can tell you, getting started with it can be tricky, but I'll do my best to make it as smooth as possible in this course. But once you get the hang of it, the sky's the limit, and there is a reason why companies like Netflix are using React. After this course, you'll see the reason, and you'll also understand how to build React apps on your own. So let's get started. Can't wait to welcome you in the course.